Hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about Comet K Counseling 2020 and I will introduce you a campaign through which you can present yourself a better chance to get your deserving college in the third round, because I know many of you don't get the deserving college as you have assumed before the counseling. So this campaign might help you to get your deserving college. And so before starting this video, I request all the students who have already taken the admission through any other counseling, that is JOSA or any other, then please don't play with the career of really deserving candidate, because you are doing the counseling, that is Comet Counseling 2020, for fun, because you want to know which type of college you are going to get if you attend the counseling. So this is not fair for the student who really depend on this counseling, because many of them are droppers because they don't have any option after this counseling. So please don't play with their careers, because they are not getting, because they don't getting the right college, so they might not take admission even. So please don't play with them. And friends, I would like to say you all that participate in this campaign and raise yourself, your hand, and present yourself a better chance for getting a good college in the third round. If you participate in this campaign, then Comet K might do something for you, because this was the same case was in 2017, and there a special counseling was held and many students got college on lower rank also. So you can also get if Comet K does something for you. But before that, you have to raise this campaign. And again, I request all the students who are doing the counseling for fun, please don't play with the real student or the student who deserve college, and you should do the same. So in this video, I will introduce you how to be a part of this campaign. And I will request again all the students who are playing with really deserving candidate. And second part of this video, I will take all your questions that you have regarding before third round or taking admission. So I will try to answer all those questions. And I will also talk about expected rise in cutoff for third round, and that will be surely happen because the cutoff will increase for sure. And the last decision making, what type of decision you should take before third round. So like this video and share this video as much as you can, so that this video reach to every people who are doing Comet counseling, so that they can listen to this and do accordingly, so that the best can be done for all the student. So if you have any doubt after watching this video, you can ask in the comment section or on Instagram. And if you're first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you can get further updates also. And for many videos, check the I button or the description box. So let's start the video. The campaign, how you can be the participant of this campaign. So first of all, I request all the students that I have already requested. Again, I am requesting, don't play with the real student, because you have already taken the admission. You don't need to do the counseling. So please just make yourself out of the counseling so that other student can get the deserving college. So you all students should do the same. If you know any student who are doing this, please request them, don't do. You don't think the one, if one stop, then what happened? Because many of you will see this video and share this video. Many will say, tell them through your social media, then it will be a great campaign and Comet K will listen to your voice, so they can do something for you, so that you can and and your friends can get the better college that they deserve. So write the email content you will get in the link. The link you will get in the description box. I will provide that, through which you will get a PDF. Just copy that, the content from the PDF, and write the email from your registered email that you have registered in Comet-K, and tell your friends to do the same. And next is, try to share this video through all your social media. You can share this through your Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram, so that many people reach this video and do the same, so that the best can be done for you, all the students who are participating the Comet-K counseling. So this is all about the campaign you should participate. Next I will take some questions, but before that I really request you, please like this video and share, so that the video can reach everyone. So now I will take the question. Some of you have asked that document for reporting. So don't worry, when you do the freeze decision, that is accept and freeze, then college will send a mail to you. College will send a mail to you, and you will get all the information, that is what document you need to upload. You will get, and you can get all those documents through in the DigiLocker. If you don't know about DigiLocker, you can ask in the comment section. I will tell you how to use that. And reporting will be online or offline. It will be online for sure. Every college doing this online. And the round 3 date, some of you ask about when the round 3 will be conducted. So I think it will start around 25. So next is round 3 counseling, phase 1 and phase 2. There will be 2 phases in round 3 counseling. The first phase is for the HKR student, that is some of the seats are reserved for them, so they will get the reserved seat only. You don't think that they will get the seat first, because you are belonging from general, then your general seat will be vacant if the vacancy is created. So don't think that they will get the first priority. They will get only the seat that is reserved for their category. Next is round 3 choice filling. So if you don't get any college till now, then you can make the choice after getting all the cutoff related. That is, in my previous video I have talked about all the cutoff that may go high or how much. You can check the video on I button, and according to that fill your choice. That you should fill top 25 college that I have already uploaded on my channel. You can check the video on top 25 college. That is really good college that will provide you better education and better placement. So next is wait or not for third round. So I will tell you, please wait. If this campaign works, and in the case of 2017 many students got a good college in lower rank also. So if you wait for third round, then there will be the chance that you can get the better. If you don't, then there will be no chance. So accept and upgrade if you are interested in your choice that you got from second round. And what about the 4K refund? If you don't want to take admission and want to take your counseling fee back, then do the surrender before third round. That will be till I think on 22 it will be done. So do it if you want the refund. And what about the payment? If you are doing 50k payment, then many students got face difficulties. So if you are getting, if your payment is getting failed first time, then don't worry, try after some time, it will works. And if you are getting same problem again and again, then you should mail to the Comet-K. They will give you the solution. So this is all about the question and answer. Next is expected cutoff and decision. So cutoff will go high for sure. This is sure that cutoff will go high, and how much I have already talked about in the previous video. You can check that video through I button or in the description box. So check the last video for detail uh, on how much the cutoff will go high for every college I have discussed, that is every good college. And you should wait for the third round, but do accept an upgrade. It is mandatory. If you interested in your allotted seat, that you think I can go with this, if not getting any better college, then do accept an upgrade. It will be better for you. And make the necessary changes in choice filling before the third round. Before the third round, if you think according to the cutoff you need to rearrange your choice, then you can rearrange above your allotted seat. So this is all about this video. Hope you find this video useful, and again I request you to participate in this campaign so that something will be better for you in the third round or thereafter. So please like this video and share this video to your friends. Thanks.